Have you ever wondered if the Apollo moon landing is fake and never really happened? Well, today I'll be explaining the false claims and backing them up with evidence. First false claim: it was a setup, like the ones they use in the Hollywood films. Back in the 60s, the US was competing with the Soviet Union to achieve spaceflight supremacy, which was known as the space race. We were afraid the Soviets would beat us to the moon, so we decided to fake the moon landing of Apollo 11. This is untrue because, as airandspace.edu says, the astronauts collected 47.5 pounds of lunar material, including rocks and soil, which then provided valuable data about the moon's age, composition, and more down on Earth. Second false claim: the moon doesn't have a significant atmosphere and it doesn't experience weather as we know it on Earth. So why does the image show the American flag wave? Well, if you look closely at the image, especially along the top edge of the flag, you will see the pole has been extended to help it hang correctly. When the astronauts were trying to perfectly place the flag on the ground, the movements led to a rippling effect you might see in the images. Third false claim: we didn't go there, and that's the way it happened. And if it didn't happen, it's nice to know why it didn't happen. Well, the Apollo 11 really did happen because there was so much data and facts going into the mission and at the end of the mission to make it false. For example, the Sea of Tranquility was a site chosen because it is relatively smooth and level area. It does, however, have some craters in it. In the last minutes before landing, Neil Armstrong had to manually pilot the lunar module to avoid sharp-rimmed craters, measuring 180 meters across and 30 meters deep down as west. The lunar module landed safely 6 kilometers from the original intended landing site. The lunar surface at the landing site consisted of fragmental debris ranging in size from the fine particles to blocks about 0.8 meters wide. This proves that just to land there was so much information and facts to even make up. Well, as you can see, the Apollo mission really did happen, and the unreliable sources use missing or biased information, while the reliable sources use evidence to back up their key claims. Thank you for listening.